In this video, I will show you how to set up your first product on ShineOn. First, sign up for a ShineOn account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, connect your store, whether that's Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform. Now let's create your first product. Start by clicking on any product you would like to sell. Scroll down to the product details section and type in an engaging title, something that will really catch your customer's attention. Next, scroll down a bit further and you will see the option to add photos. This is where you can showcase your product images. Now, scroll back up and click on See Design Template. This will open a new tab with different templates you can use. Choose one you like and download it. Once that's ready, go back to ShineOn and either drag your design file into the upload area or select the file from your computer. When everything looks good, just click on Publish. And that's how to set up your first product on ShineOn.